Hey guys, this is 2Kids/Fun, and today we're doing part 2 of the dog tag Palooza. So I'm just going to show you the checklist real quick once again, and then I will show our mystery one from Finding Dory. So today we have some of the ones we got that you should look at the other video that we have. And we also have a mashup from Finding Dory. It's Nemo. Okay, so he'll go over here, and I'm going to show you the checklist for Finding Dory. Once again, I'll just show you the dog tags. Here's the ones that we could get. Make your vote in now if you want to guess. Okay, well, you guessed it. It is Gerald, the seal. I'm pretty sure seal of Robbers or otter. I don't think it's an otter, but we got Gerald, and he is. I think he's 20 out of 24 from Finding Dory. So that's really cool. So now you know what the mystery one is, and you've seen everything we have. Just keep on the lookout because I'm going to be doing a Finding Dory magazine pretty soon. So stay tuned for that in a couple days. Okay, well, make sure